Hi guys, today we are covering one of the important question of department accounts from mock test paper of the year November 2020. Department accounts refers to maintaining accounts of one or more department of the company. Revenues and expenses of the department are recorded and reported separately. Department accounts are then consolidated into accounts of head office. For example, textile mill which is having head office and factory. Separate accounts are maintained for production facility and then final result are sent to the head office, which are then incorporated by head office in their accounts. Textile merchant may trade in cotton, woolen and fabrics. The overall performance of the department, however, depend on the departmental efficiency. The following balances were extracted from the books of X Limited. You are required to prepare departmental trading account and general profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Particulars: Department A, Department B. Opening stock 3 lakh for Department A, 2,40,000 for Department B. Purchases 39 lakh for Department A, 54,60,000 for Department B. Sales 60 lakh for Department A, 90 lakh for Department B. General expenses incurred for both the departments were 7,50,000, and you were also supplied with the following information. Closing stock of Department A 6 lakh, including goods from Department B for rupees 1,20,000 at cost to Department A. Closing stock of Department B 12 lakh, including goods from Department A for rupees 1,80,000 at cost to Department B. Opening stock of Department A and Department B include goods of the value of 60,000 and 90,000 taken from Department B and Department A respectively at cost to transfer department. The gross profit is uniform from year to year. Now come to the answer. Departmental trading account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Particulars: Department A, Department B, and on the credit side, particulars: Department A, Department B. To opening stock 3 lakh, 2,40,000. To purchases 39 lakh, 54,60,000, which is mentioned in the question. By sale 60 lakh and 90 lakh. By closing stock 6 lakh and 12 lakh. So balancing figure item will be gross profit, rupees 24 lakh for Department A and 45 lakh for Department B. General profit and loss of beta for the year ended 31st March 2020. Particulars amount to general expenses 7,50,000. General expenses have not been allocated to the individual departments and are charged to the general profit and loss account. So now we are calculating closing stock reserve. Closing stock of Department A 6 lakh, including goods from Department B 1,20,000. So out of 6 lakh, 1,20,000 related to the Department B. So we will consider profit ratio of Department B. Working note: percentage of profit. Gross profit 24 lakh divide sales 60 lakh into 100 is equal to 40% for Department A, and for Department B, gross profit 45 lakh divide sales 90 lakh into 100 is equal to 50% for Department B. Closing stock reserve 1,20,000 into 50%. We are considering gross profit ratio of Department B because Department B's goods included in the closing stock of Department A is equal to 60,000. Closing stock of Department B rupees 12 lakh. So out of 12 lakh, 1,80,000 related to the Department A. So we will consider profit ratio of Department A. 1,80,000 into profit ratio of Department A 40% is equal to 72,000. Now we are calculating opening stock reserve. Opening stock of Department A and Department B includes goods of the value of 60,000 and 90,000 taken from Department B and Department A respectively. So opening stock reserve of Department A 60,000 into 50%. We are considering profit ratio of Department B because Department B's good included in the opening stock of Department A. So 60,000 into 50% is equal to 30,000. Now for Department B, 90,000 into gross profit ratio of department A 40% is equal to 36,000. So by stock reserve, opening stock department A 30,000, department B 36,000, to stock reserve closing stock department A 60,000, department B 72,000. By gross profit, department A 24 lakh, department B 45 lakh. So balancing figure will be net profit of rupees 60 lakh 84,000. X Limited will get net profit of rupees 60 lakh 84,000. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.